What is up, guys? This is Right for the Stories, the creator of Self-Cut System, and today on Ask Me Anything segment, I'm gonna answer your question. So Celestino, what is the most frequent questions from our followers?
All right, cool. So we got one question here from 73 Greg 22. Self-cut, short guide on how to use the mirrors and angles. Best angles for the back of the head, best angles for ear area, stuff like that, please.
Perfect. Well, first of all, thank you for sending us the question. So to answer your question, I'm going to explain to you how to see the back of your head using the Self-Cut System King's Gold Limited Edition. So the very first thing what you want to do is to have a proper placement as far as like the positioning of your whole entire body in your head. So what we highly recommend for, especially for first timers, is to move your head left to right. So if you want to see the left side of your head, so what you want to do first is you just want to go in front of the mirror like this, and you want to turn your head, not your body, just your head to the right. And you can, as you can see the reflection right here, you can see the left side of your head. Again, you don't have to grab yourself a clipper. You just want to like touch the back of your head and just getting used to the angles. Again, look, turn your head, not your entire body, because if you're going to turn your whole entire body, it gets kind of like tricky. So what you want to do is just turn your head slightly to the right so you could see the left side, the opposite side of your head. You got that? And then if you want to do the other side where you want to see the right side of your head, you got to use the left-sided mirror to see it. And if you want to see your whole entire back, is basically you just want to turn just a little bit and angle it this way. And you could see, if you can see my hand, my right hand touching the back of my head. If you really want to see the back of your head, the middle part of your head, all you have to do is just turn it a little bit to the left, and you could see where you cut it. You see how my right hand is touching the back of my head?
Yep.
Look at that. And that's how, and also you want to see, if you want to see like below, around the ear area, or the area around your ear, you could just like fold it, and you could start cutting away. Yeah, again, going back to what most people do is the most common mistakes, or just for them, they turn the whole entire body and they get kind of lost. So what you want to do is it's all about the head turning. That's like the number one tip, is the head turning left to right. And everything is opposite. If you want to see the left side of your head, you gotta look at the right side mirror. If you want to see the right side of your head, you gotta look at the left sided mirror. Simple.